Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Indoor Ninja course is probably one of the most effective ways to keep your kids active and engaged, transforming your home into an exciting obstacle course that promotes physical fitness, improves coordination and problem-solving skills, and builds confidence while having a blast. This video will help you choose the perfect one for your little ninjas. Number 5. Avenlur Magnolia 7-in-1 Jungle Gym. Get ready for endless fun and adventure. This exciting playset is perfect for developing important gross motor skills while keeping your little one safe and entertained. It's a Good Housekeeping 2023 award winner. You can trust in its quality, safety, and innovative design. Your children deserve the best, and this is it. Made from top-quality varnished wood, it's built to last for years. With regular use, it will improve your child's muscle development and coordination. Setting it up is easy and requires no professional help. The low design and sturdy rails ensure safe and secure play. Safety is our top priority. It's made from industrial-grade wood, ensuring sturdiness and reliability for your child's enjoyment. We're committed to sustainability. It's built sustainably, regularly quality checked, and certified safe, so you can feel good about your purchase. With a climbing wall, slide, monkey bars, rope ladder, and swing, it offers a variety of activities to engage your child's imagination and develop their motor skills. It's the perfect indoor playset for toddlers and children ages 2 to 6. What we like. It's a 7-in-1 indoor wooden jungle gym with many activities. It is made from high-quality varnished wood, built to last. If you are looking for a safe, durable, and easy-to-assemble indoor playset that will grow with your child, you should consider this one. What people say. Putting together the jungle gym took about 1 hour max with the help of 2 people to move the box. Everything was easily labeled and the instructions were easy to follow in the building process. I have a few toddlers and I've owned this product for almost a year and the jungle gym is still super sturdy. The size of the jungle gym easily can hold 3 toddlers without them being on top of either, which is a huge plus. Overall, the gym is very sturdy. The wood is solid, but there are parts that are not well sanded. Overall, very versatile gym. My 11-month baby loves the side and is in process of learning how to climb. With pads under and around it, this structure enables her to gain confidence climbing up multiple types of ladders, as well as hanging from the rope ladder. The rungs on the ladders and climbing wall are spaced closer together than rungs at most nice parks which have equipment designed for older children. In future years, I look forward to watching her learn to use the hand-over-hand bars at the top. This is the type of toy activity that kids need these days, exciting and interesting, but safe. Number 4. Stairslide 4-pack Indoor Slide. It's the Stairslide 4-pack. Watch your kids' faces light up as they race down the stairs. Get ready for hours of fun and excitement. This slide is designed to fit most staircases. It's easy to adjust to the perfect length for your home. The fun is scalable. It features a non-slip bottom, so it stays securely in place. No installation needed, just place it on the stairs and let the fun begin. When playtime is over, it folds and stacks neatly for easy storage. It's simple to put away and keep your home tidy. Made from sturdy, impact-resistant plastic, it's built to last. Each piece is 24 inches long and 18 inches wide, providing ample space for a safe and exciting ride. Give your kids the gift of endless fun with the Stairslide. It's the perfect addition to any home with adventurous little ones. What we like. This is a modular slide that transforms your staircase into a fun slide. It's easy to store and requires no installation. If you have stairs and want to add excitement to your child's playtime without permanent changes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Kids absolutely love this. Easy to assemble and to take down. Fun for adults also. We purchased more so we could go to the top of stairs. Well-made grandchildren love slide, glad we made this purchase. These things are amazing. The kids love sliding down the basement stairs. Wish I could buy one extra piece to make it just a tad longer. But otherwise amazing and definitely recommend for those with wide stairs. Number 3. NatGeo Indoor Fort Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with 225 pieces. It's so easy to build amazing indoor forts with endless possibilities. It features flexible hubs that hold poles securely, letting kids create tents, castles, or even dome forts. The only limit is their imagination. Made with sturdy poles and innovative flex-tech hubs, it ensures long-lasting fun. 12 clips are included to easily drape a sheet or blanket over your creation. A building guide provides step-by-step instructions for building a pyramid and an airplane. It helps build confidence before they design their own masterpieces. We are committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. Your satisfaction is our priority. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. This kit has 225 pieces to build epic forts. The bendable pieces make building easy and fun. If your kids love creative building and imaginative play, this is a great option. What people say. Parts plus extras were all there, and there are a ton. This thing is fun to just take off on and let him work out how to make things stay standing up, and then stay up after he applies the blanket as a static load. Overall quality is high. The pieces are all sturdy, easy to fit together in many different ways. Number 2. Avenlur Chestnut Playset. Get ready for endless fun with the Avenlur Chestnut, a 7-in-1 indoor-outdoor playset designed for kids aged 2 to 6. It's packed with features to keep them active and engaged. It's made from 100% high-quality cedar wood, built to withstand the elements and last for years. The thicker wood and extra varnish ensure durability and safety. We prioritize safety. It's made with non-toxic paints and sealants, and undergoes rigorous quality checks. Additional safety features like sturdy handles and high slide sides provide extra peace of mind. This isn't just fun, it's educational. It helps children develop physical, cognitive, and social skills through climbing, swinging, and imaginative play. It promotes independence, strength, and coordination. No professional installation needed. It's easy to assemble and folds away for convenient storage, perfect for any home. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Our indoor playset uses sturdy pine, while our indoor-outdoor option uses durable, weather-resistant cedar. Both are safe and fun, but cedar is best for outdoor use. What we like. It is a foldable 7-in-1 playset for indoor and outdoor use. It's easy to store and made from high-quality cedar wood. If you need a versatile playset that can be used both indoors and outdoors and easily stored away, this is a great choice. What people say. They loved it, played a lot with it and got used to it right away. I found it safe and stable, but I recommend putting a mattress underneath. It took a while to assemble, but it wasn't complicated and the manual provided all the assembly information very well, you just had to follow it. They love the perching circuit, seesaw and slide. Lots of exercise for them to burn off energy. We're 2 months in and love it. It's very sturdy and easy to use. I love the fact that when we get tired of it, we can just fold it up and store it for later. He's 1 and uses most of the set. My 18-month-old son loves climbing and swinging on this gym and so do his cousins. About 4 of them were on at all times, which was probably about 180 to 200 pounds. The bigger kids had no trouble swinging by themselves. Number 1. Avenlur Walnut 9-in-1 Gym. It's more than just a gym, it's an indoor adventure playground. This versatile set offers endless climbing and swinging fun for kids of all ages. With 2 height options, it adapts to any space. It features a trapeze, rope ladder, rock wall, ramp, slide, and pull-up bar, keeping kids active for hours. It's made with sturdy beech and pine wood, supporting up to 220 pounds per person and 500 pounds total. Safety and durability are our top priorities. Rounded rungs and bars provide a secure and comfortable grip for all ages, ensuring stability and confidence during play. It's easy to assemble with all hardware included. Its compact design saves space while providing a dedicated play area. It's perfect for kids, teens, and adults. Get a full-body workout that improves strength and flexibility, all from the comfort of your home. What we like. It is a 9-in-1 Swedish ladder wall gym set with many activities. It's made from sturdy wood and has a safe grip. If you're looking for a versatile and safe climbing gym that offers a full-body workout, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.